Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox One. This prevents shorts and protects components. Once done, wait 5–10 minutes, then remove any external storage and the hard drive tray if present. Use a plastic spudger to lift rubber feet and reveal screws. Keeping screws organized matters because sizes vary. Make sure you have Torx T8/T10 drivers and a small Phillips ready. These let you remove case fast without stripping heads, so proceed with steady pressure and a firm grip. With screws removed, you move to the seam. Insert a plastic spudger at a corner and gently pry to release the internal clips. Once one section pops, continue along the edge. Patience avoids breaking plastic clips. Make sure to feel for resistance. When you do, stop and check for hidden screws or clips instead of forcing it. As the top half lifts, watch for ribbon cables near the front. Make sure to angle the lid away so cables don't snag or tear during separation. Once the top is loose, you'll see ribbon and power cables. Carefully unplug latch connectors by lifting the locking tabs because ripping them damages boards. After cables are free, remove any component screws you need to access. Keep parts labeled to ensure proper reassembly. Before sealing, plug in and test basic power and fan spin to catch issues early. If something won't power, double-check connectors and screw placement. A common troubleshooting tip is reseating cables and checking for stripped or missing screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.